day, my friends, and welcome to my channel. This is the 10x Crypto Academy by Tony FX. If you are not a follower, you should subscribe to our channel. This is our academy and the content we have. This will show you how to trade crypto on Binance. It's going to show you how to buy and sell coins, and it's going to show you the strategies we use. Today I'll be showing you a free giveaway value information. This is going to be on the Trust wallet. I want you guys to have a digital asset which you're going to depend on in the next 10 days, in the next 10 months, and in the next 10 years. So with that said, if you're not subscribed, go to your YouTube right now and go and search for Tony FX, Tony FX, Tony FX, Tony FX, and then follow, like, share this video, and don't forget to also join our Telegram channel, which the link will be added in the description. So now I'll be showing you how to earn free BNB, $6 worth of BNB in your Trust wallet. So you go to your Trust wallet and you click on Trust wallet to open Trust wallet. Here you can see that I have 6.58 BNB, and today I'll be showing you how to earn more BNB. So in that case I will go on the app and I will paste the link of the site where we would earn this BNB from. I'll also add the link of this site on the description. I'll add the link of this site in the description, and I'll click on load, so you can get the link on the description. So the site is loading up right now. Okay, this is the site. This is the site. Here, to claim this, we have to wait for it to load properly, and then you can see that on the top right corner over here we have an icon. You have to change it to smart chain. So the site will load again. You have to be patient for it to load. So this two Rex is a new wallet. That will be used in the blockchain technology. Then you have to so we finally logged in and we are through creating the account. Here you can see that I've earned 6.13 BNB. 6.13 BNB over here in my wallet. You can see it's 6.13 BNB. So for me to receive this, I will have to put in my wallet. I have to set my wallet. So I have to go back to my wallet and go to where we have smart chain. You click on smart chain, I click on receive, and then I copy. Then I go back to the site on the app, and then I click on it. So I have to log in again. I finally logged in into my wallet, and right now I want to go and set up my wallet. So I'll go to the BNB and I'll go to wallet, and then I'll click on setup wallet. I'll click here and paste my smart chain wallet which I have copied. I'll paste it here. So I've pasted the smart chain wallet, and then I'll click on continue. So my wallet has been saved automatically. I'll be able to withdraw this right now. I'll be able to withdraw the BNB, but that withdrawal will hold on the 29th of this month of July. So right now you can go in as a referral campaign. So I just click on the referral campaign so that I can be able to help others to earn and get these coins in their wallet. Before the 29th of July. So I'll be able to get these coins there. So I'll copy my referral link and I will paste it right in the groups and share it with my friends and family, and be able to earn from this business. So in future I'll be able to withdraw it on the 29th of July. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel. More valuable contents like this will be dropping back to back every day, every week. Thank you and God bless you.